Workplace incidents can occur unexpectedly, posing risks to employee safety and business operations. The Workplace Health and Safety module for incident management provides a comprehensive solution to efficiently handle and mitigate unwanted incidents. This module facilitates enhanced safety and compliance, efficient incident management, and improved analysis and prevention. The WHS module includes an intuitive incident reporting form, enabling witnesses or anyone reporting an incident to organize their thoughts in a standardized manner. Once an incident is reported, an automated workflow triggers notifications to the WHS team. Authorized WHS team members can easily view reported incident details, investigate the matter, and list corrective measures to prevent future recurrences. Additionally, the module helps manage licenses for relevant employees, ensuring that only authorized personnel perform specific tasks. Licenses can be active or archived as needed. The WHS module also provides aggregate reporting of incidents, offering a comprehensive view of the organization's safety performance. Access the WHS module from the sidebar. Refer to the relevant guide to streamline your workplace health and safety procedures and foster a culture of safety and well-being.